Welcome back, my children, to another Saturday flea market shopping video. Once again, I'm gonna check what I can find. Oh, that looks cool. I'm trying to find anything for myself or like collection or to sell. It looks nice. Very big though. Sir, how much is this? $20. $20? Oh, it's actually not that bad. $20. I'm hoping nobody buys it. I kind of want to get it because it's my favorite color. I remember my mom told me she knows how to use those, so she would teach me, I'm quite sure. I'm just hoping it works. I'll do that last because it's pretty big. Morning, Mike. Yeah? Alright. How's it going? Yeah? I see you got prepared this time. You got prepared this time for the rain. If there's any. Okay, cool. One. Oh, Aladdin. Thank you. So you got, I think I might have gotten this one from that lady, but it's okay. Oh my goodness. Is this Drake and Josh? That's everything. Oh, you got some good stuff today. Well, it's not the best game. I just like Drake and Josh. So if the game works, even better, obviously. Actually, I could test it right now because I did bring my what's it called? My DS. Yes, Star Wars, but I prefer them in booster packs, not like that. So I'm taking these three. Oh, the pack, this. I'm gonna check out what else he has. Are these McDonald's toys? No, there's not. Everything is confusing me. It makes me think it's McDonald's toys, but it's not. Oh, there's Harry Potter. And it's complete. I'm gonna get it. Here's another pack. It's hockey cards.
Tomorrow I bring a lot.
Just gonna get, where's the other one? I had a, oh, there it is. These. And the game.
Alright, so just give me $5.
Right, okay. Thank you.
I'll bring a lot more next week. I'm gonna try to get out because I've just been so busy.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
Bring some more junk if you got.
Sure, yeah. I'll look for more. Oh, I still want to get that. It's $20, you said. I just don't know if it works and how does it work. Like, does it need ink? I kind of forgot. I remember I heard somewhere where, like, you could get ink or, like, if it needs ink. I don't remember if it needs ink or not. Oh, it's made in Japan. Oh, that's even cooler. It's royal. I don't know if you guys can see it. Do you know if it works?
Yeah, electric.
Yeah? And does it need ink?
$20.
Does it need ink or how does it work? I'm not.
I know it's electric.
Yeah, I see the cord. Is that a bug? I don't know, it's dead. It's a dead bug. It's a little spider. I'm trying to think because what if it doesn't work? And then there's these like little things right here. It's like, does the ink go there? I have no idea how that works. He said it's new. It does look new actually. Like the letters don't look like they have any color in them. I just don't know if you need ink or not. Only my mom knows. I could call her, but I'm using my phone. What is a VHS? This looks nice. I'm gonna get it. I really want it. $20. I think it's worth it. I think 20 sounds fair for this, right? Yeah, it sounds fair. I don't want, because it's pretty big and whatnot. So I'm gonna do the 20. If he said like 30, I would have tried to go down. But 20 sounds good. I'm just hoping it works. I swear it better work. Here you go, sir. I'm gonna take it.
Let me show you how to open up the case.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful typewriter. If you have any
Yeah.
problem,
Mhm.
bring it back.
Okay.
Only on Saturday, not Sunday.
All right. So sounds good. Yeah.
Oh, I think that's it. Hold it.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
to
That works.
open it, you gotta push these
Ye-
both in at the same time.
Okay.
Okay, and
Yeah.
then you look.
All right. Thank you very much.
You made a good,
Luckily, my mom said she used to use them and back in the day, so hopefully she'll teach me. And uh,
made a good deal.
yeah, it looks
Close to
very
$50.
nice, and I like the color too. It looks very beautiful.
Okay, you got room in there?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I have room.
You stop by next week anyway.
Yeah,
Okay?
I will. I always will. Thank you. I'm hoping it works. It's so nice. Also, I like how he told me that if there's any problems, just to come back with it. That's very nice of him. All right, Sam. How's it going?
Good, good. Dude, you know what's sick is that I had the bag. I didn't bring it today though.
What
I
bag?
literally have a bag just full of McDonald's.
Oh, okay.
They're vintage to modern day ones.
Yeah.
I have the whole bag. I will try to be here tomorrow if you'll swing by tomorrow. If not, I'm gonna have them next Saturday.
All right. Yeah.
Because
Yes.
I already
Next
have
next
them
Saturday. Yeah.
ready for you. That's why.
Okay. Yeah. It's alright.
You have to see it.
That's it.
You have to see it.
Put it on my dresser.
It's a blessing.
That's it.
You have to
Wake up every morning, give it a
That's
kiss.
cool.
Exactly.
You know?
God bless you, Pa.
You too, man.
How much is this?
I was asking 20, but for you, bro, if you want it, I'll do it for 10.
All right. Before I forget, I brought you some stuff.
What?
I got you this.
What's this?
For either for if you want it or to sell.
How much you want for them?
No, just don't worry about it. And just
Really?
yeah,
You don't want nothing?
no, it's okay. Yeah, you've been giving me some free stuff every once in a while,
Dude, this thing is sick.
right?
I'm rocking this. Yo! This is so dope, dude. Thank you.
No problem.
Appreciate it, bro.
I got it from lot less like a few years ago.
This is
Yeah, I never ended up using it. So
this is dope, bro.
yeah, no problem.
No, now when I see you, I'm just giving you a bag of McDonald's to it. I call it a day. Thanks,
No,
man.
it's
I really
okay.
appreciate it. This is sweet.
It's okay. You could give me like a discount or whatever if you don't.
Bro, I'm gonna give you the McDonald's toys.
All right.
Yeah.
No
I mean,
problem.
it's like 20 of them, but it's nothing crazy. It's from 1994 to like 2017.
Yeah,
But it's like maybe like 20 of them. But
yeah, no problem.
you gave me this, I got you.
All right.
Thanks,
Sounds
dude.
great. No problem.
Appreciate it. Thank
If
you.
I ever find other stuff, I'll bring them to you as well. But yeah, if I find any other stuff that I don't need, like stuff like cool stuff like that,
Yeah,
I'll bring it.
over here, bro.
Sure.
Appreciate it, dude.
No problem.
Thanks, bro.
You're welcome.
I'll see you.
Some cool watches. Tasmanian Devil. There's Garfield. He's asking 10 for this one. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. And then Sylvester and Tweety. Do you happen to know if these are for like men, adults, or kids?
Nowadays, you never know. Honey, you're back. I knew you missed me.
They were all running unless the battery died out.
I was praying that you would walk by.
Or are they for like men's, women's, kids?
Because I had changed them a couple months ago. I don't know if the battery died already. I'll do 3 for 20 if you want.
Yeah, dude.
3 for 20?
People were telling me, bring your
This one
bikers.
alone
I'm
is worth like
I'll
15,
bring
20.
some
Yeah,
of them.
okay.
It's up to you if you want to do. I thought they were all still running because I had them in the bag, but
Yeah, that's not a problem. But do you know if they're like men's, women's, kids?
oh,
Not
I
sure?
mean, I think these are from like the 90s. I think that one Garfield might be 80s, but those are probably for kids. The rubber bracelets. Remember?
Yeah. I'll take it for 20.
Yeah. That's probably honestly what I paid at cost. Yeah.
Oh, really? Alright, there you go.
Little bag. Thank you. Though.
No, it's okay. Yeah, I've got it. Good morning. Do you happen to have the McDonald's toys? Oh, okay, just one? How much you want for it? Last week I was told that they were gonna bring a bunch of McDonald's toys and whatnot, and none of them brought any. Well, like one or two. He still has the same car. He still has it. Not surprised. Ooh, that looks cool. It's blue. I'm a sucker for blue stuff. Do you know if it works, sir?
Go and test it out there, and
Where?
there's a plug right there, an outlet.
Okay.
And what you do is either lick it or put your finger in there, and you.
Seriously? There's a. It's over there, you said?
Yeah,
Alright. He said I could test it. He didn't even tell me how much. What the hell do I go there? Oh, I see it. Damn it. Why'd you go all the way over there? Around. I'm gonna go the other way. Just stuff in the way. There's a switch plug, but there's stuff connected to it. I don't know what it's connecting to. My bag is right there. I'm trying to see. I could literally just walk away and run away with it if I really wanted to. Doesn't even cost that much. Quite sure. I have no way to have stuff connected to it. I can't just randomly connect stuff. You have stuff connected to it, so I can't really do that.
it's not working.
No, I can't really connect it because they have stuff connected to it already.
Unplug it, man. Screw that. Show them who's boss.
I can do that. How much is it anyways?
$5.
Can you do three?
$6.
Three? Can you do three?
6.
Six? No, no. Five for a used extension. I could get it anywhere else. Just like unplug their things. I'm not rude like that. I'm not gonna do that. I'll get this one. That looks very nice. This one $1 too? Okay.
Would you like a bag?
No, it's okay. I came to another type of like flea market. How much is this? $2? Okay. Can I do all for 5? 5 is fine? Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's another one. 7. 7. Right? 7. Here you go, sir. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, another one. I'll take this one too.
God bless your kids. You know, they're up and now they take care of you. Hi, that's a Warner Brothers visor.
Yeah, I saw. I like because it has Bugs Bunny. How much are they? These.
The visor's 4. It's brand new.
I just like it because it has the little Bugs Bunny.
Yeah, this is brand new. It was never used. It's a
Oh,
Warner
cool.
Brothers.
I'll get it for 4. How much are the hats?
It depends which ones. They're all different prices. I got some
The black one, the Panther one.
those are 25.
25. Could you do 20 for it?
What's the price?
I have no idea.
All right, I'll do 20.
Right? All right.
Want a bag for it?
It's okay. I'll take it like that. Thank you. Oh my goodness, a turkey. It's a turkey. ¿Cuánto? Gracias.
Gracias. You need the bag?
No, está bien. I'm back home once again, and I got several stuff. So I'm gonna start off with Mike because he's the first one I went to, and I got some stuff with. So in the previous video, I gave him several stuff to like kind of like trade or like at least get a discount from. And last week he gave me everything I got, which was like 5 things. He gave them all for free. Like I didn't pay basically. I guess because of all the things I gave him. I did give him a lot, and so he decided not to charge me. And he said he was gonna give me more credit for this week, and I think he gave me a lot because I literally paid, what was it, $5 for everything? What was it? Wait, let me check. I put it on my iPad. The prices. Yeah, here it is. So I got the Knack Knack McDonald's toy, the TY number 3, Aladdin booster pack, hockey booster pack, Harry Potter Legos unopened, and Drake and Josh Diaz game for $5. So I got this hockey booster pack. Is that a OHL or DHL? I'm not quite sure, to be honest. But yeah, these were the only two booster packs he had. Aladdin from Disney. Anyways, those are the two packs. Then I got this little TY number 3 plush from him as well. Plush McDonald's toy. Alright, and then the other McDonald's toy I got from him was the Knack Knack one. I have gotten several Knack Knack toys from him from McDonald's. Not sure if I have this one. I have to check. I've yet to check how many of the sets I might have completed. I'm hoping several. Alright, so these are gonna go to the bin. These I'm gonna put to the side. What was the other thing I got from him? It was the booster packs, the toys. Oh, the Harry Potter. Where is it? A Harry Potter Lego, like mini sets, I guess. I thought it was cool. It has Dumbledore and like a little. I think that's a Hogwarts castle, potentially. Oh, and a collectible wizard's card. I literally just noticed that. That's cool. But yeah, I got it because it was Legos and it's unopened. I accidentally picked up a call and the video stopped. Anyways, where was I? So yeah, it was Harry Potter Legos unopened. That was very cool, and I'm most likely gonna open it at some point. I'll try to see if he gets more of these. Will be cool. I do love Harry Potter, and it was very interesting seeing that it had Dumbledore in it. Anyways, I got that as well. So the booster packs, I know he usually sells them for like $2 or $3 each. This, I'm quite sure he would have asked for like $5 or $4 for this. The McDonald's toys, same, like $2 each. And then he also gave me this Drake and Josh toy, Diaz game, which I saw it in not the best condition and whatnot, but it is complete. It has the game and the little booklet and this booklet as well. So I thought it was cool, and I do like Drake and Josh. If I'm not incorrect, I have this one unopened. I bought it on eBay a long time ago, and I have it sealed still. Anyways, here's the back. This, I'm quite sure he would have sold it for like maybe $10 or so, somewhere around there. So I got all of that. That should have been like at least 20 maybe, and he gave it to me for 5. I guess because I guess that was the credit he owed me, or he felt like he owed me, which was very cool of him. So I'm definitely gonna take him more stuff that I might that I have that I don't want or need anymore. Anyways, I'm gonna test it out to see if it works. Because even if it doesn't work properly, I guess. I didn't really pay much. It was $5 for everything, but I'm quite sure it should work. I'm hoping it will. Would be nice. Let's see. Ooh, there we go. Drake and Josh, THQ. Licensed by Nintendo. Okay, there it is. Drake and Josh Software, 2007. So it's an old game. Nick Arcade. Artificial mind plus movement. And it works. At least it looks like. Story mode, minigames, options, credits. Let's see, is there a save file here? There is. Since 2006? Wait, isn't this a game from 2007? What? Oh wow, that's it? They have 0%. Who got the game, played it once, and that's it? They only played, it seems like 7 hours. Maybe it wasn't that great of a game. I wouldn't know. Load this game. Sure, why not? I'm just gonna show a little glimpse of it. Oh, that's supposed to be Josh, I guess. That's Drake. Alright, that's it. I've seen enough. It works. Maybe I'll do a gameplay on it at some point. So yeah, it was very cool. The Diaz game, the Harry Potter Legos, the 2 McDonald's toys, and the booster packs. All for 5. All right, I'm gonna put this to the side. Next thing I got, I'm gonna show it at the very end because it's very big. It is. It shows right here the teal blue royal typer. I Oh, my light is about to end. Damn it. I was gonna say I put everything in order as how I got them. All right, the next thing I got is from Spearow, the Pokemon. I got this figure for $10. I also gave him some stuff. This was the only thing I got from Spearow this time. It was yeah, $10. I thought it was cool. These usually go for like 20 or more, so 10 was good. I wasn't gonna try to negotiate because he always gives good prices, and he's always very nice to me. Always gives me like at least one free thing every now and then. So yeah, that was $10. It's like Superman Steel. He looks more like Cyborg, but his name is Steel, I guess, and he has the Superman symbol, or S for Steel, I guess, and a hammer. So that was cool. So that was 10. Then his friend, his name also starts with an S, but I forgot his name. He had some watches, these right here. They looked cool, especially they don't seem to be working. He said that apparently he had changed the batteries not so long ago or something like that. But I got them because they look cool. This one looks more like a child type of watch. These might be like women's, but regardless, I got them because this one is Garfield. This one is the Tasmanian Devil, and this one is Sylvester and Tweety. They look very cool, so I got them. He had the prices for them. This one was 10, this one was 8, and this one was 10. This one says needs battery, so I guess he forgot about that one. But these had apparently supposed to have batteries or whatever. He gave all of them for 20, which I took because it's basically getting one for free. And I'm most likely just gonna keep them. I don't think I'm gonna try to sell them unless I see that one of them cost a lot, which I highly doubt it. But I thought they were cool. I could get the batteries at some point. Most likely it's not gonna fit me, I would assume. I don't know, maybe. But somebody, I guess, that I want to see them on or something like that. So those were 20. So the next thing is the McDonald's toy from a Spanish lady. I think I forgot which one it was. Oh, this one, because the better bag is number 4 of the Busy World of Richard Scarry, or whatever we call it. This time it's a little monkey on a banana car, which is very cool, and this like building grocery store basically. I've gotten others of this one from her. I think I might have close to the complete set. I'm hoping. I don't know. I'll see. I have to figure it out at some point. So that one I got from her for $2. She only had one. If I remember, Mike, Spearow, the Pokemon, and her, they were gonna apparently bring me, not Pokemon, McDonald's toys, a bunch or whatever. None of them brought them. Anyways, well, she had one, I guess. Right, then I bought a grape soda. I'm counting that. The previous ones, like this one, this Saturday, I did buy some like drinks and whatnot, and the same for the other one, I believe. I did not include them because that also includes in the total, but whatever. I included the grape soda this time. I bought it from some lady. Anyways, then I bought a Pete the Cat book for $1. I thought it was very nice. It's a hardcover. It's very big. For $1, it's a great buy. Pete the Cat, 5-minute bedtime stories. So I thought of this to give it to the witch to read to my niece at some point. If not, I could try to sell it since it's nice condition. It usually goes for like $12.99 apparently, but who knows how much it goes for online. I'll have to check. It's kind of a bit messed up here in the bottom, but regardless, very good condition. It was a little, well, the little boy obviously was not alone. He was with, I think, his mom or whatever, but I think it was his books and he was selling them for $1 each. And I was looking at all of them. I chose this one because obviously hard book is big and it's a cat, Pete the Cat. Then I decided to go to location and Roosevelt, and they have like stands as well literally outside. It's not like the one I go to every Saturday. It's like a parking lot from a church, and people go in there to put their stands and whatnot to sell stuff, vendors and whatnot. But this was outside, literally in the sidewalks. Yeah, the sidewalks. But yeah, they had a bunch of stands, like literally 3 blocks. And I decided to go there because I've been there before. So I decided to go back and see what I found and if it was worth recording. And as soon as I got to the first stand, there was like some old people. I saw a McDonald's toy, and as soon as I saw it, I put the camera ready and I started recording. And the first one I saw, I think it was this one, if I'm not incorrect. And then I also found this one. I should have kept looking to make a better offer, but since I first only saw these two, if I remember correctly, it was these two. I said, no, actually, I think I found three, or no, actually two. He was selling them for $2, and since I only saw two first, and I didn't notice the other ones, so I was like, could I get these two for $3? He said yes, and then I kept digging through his stuff, but then I found three more. I was like, damn it! If I would have found all five together, I would have been like, this would have been $10. I would have been like $8, so $2 off instead, something like that. But I didn't get to do that because I kept finding one by one, and I think I paid individually one by one, if I remember correctly. But regardless, I got 5 for $9, so that's still pretty okay to me. So this one is a Wendy's one, a Bitey or BD Buddies little dog thing. I'll have to find the rest if there's more. Yeah, there's more. There's apparently 9 in total. This one is a mystery one. I have number 2, so I have to get the other 8. Then I got the Disney Frozen 2. Sven is this moose. I've not watched any of the Frozen movies yet, but there we go. That's one of them. Then I found this Barbie toy. I'm not too sure what this is supposed to be. I think it's like some sort of like watch thingy. This one is from McDonald's as well. It says Barbie Spy Squad, so some type of spy gadget. Then, whoops, that fell. Then this McDonald's, I thought it was cool. A National Geographic Kids, like plush. I think there's it's a sloth bear apparently. Even has a little card, so that's cool. So yeah, it was 4 McDonald's toys and 1 Wendy's. This one is the other McDonald's one, the TY Teeny Ties or whatever you call it. It's a Nori the Narwhal. It's like a whale, I guess. And that's it. I don't know if you guys heard me when I saw it. I was like, oh my goodness, a turkey. It was a nice looking turkey plush. Look at the tail. It feels so nice and soft. Then its buttholes right here, I'm assuming. And yeah, it has this little like plastic. I like when they have the little plastic. It makes it look very authentic. His name is Gobbles. That is a brilliant name for a turkey. Mr. Gobbles, or just Gobbles, whatever. Damn it, I messed it up. Oh, great. Okay, let me fix it properly. Come on, stay where it's supposed to. Yes, okay, there we go. Looks nice. So, Gobbles right here. Turkey, a nice looking turkey. I got it for $5. I think I tried, did I negotiate? I don't remember. I think I tried getting it for 4, if I remember correctly. Maybe I didn't. I think I just paid the $5. I was like, oh yeah. I just decided to pay the $5 because it's like a nice decent size, and it's not that small. It's a nice decent size, and it's such a nice condition and looks very nice. So I'm like, it's for myself. I'm not gonna try to sell it or anything. It's my own collection. It's a nice little turkey. I might eat it on Thanksgiving, but yeah, I'm gonna keep it over there. That's a nice cute little turkey. Then the next thing I found was the panther cap. He was selling them for $25. I don't know if each cap or whatnot, but this one specific that I found was $25, but I offered $20, and I guess he wasn't selling much, so he took the offer. And it's such a nice hat. I already used it. Now I have a feeling these hats might have been stolen because if you guys notice, there's this thing here. I put it back the way it was, but yeah, it had this on. I took it off when I used it, obviously. Otherwise, I would have poked a hole in my head. But yeah, I don't know if they're stolen or maybe like it has happened before when you buy something and they forget to take off the sensor or whatnot. So maybe that could have happened. But then why not take away the whole thing? He kept this in there. I decided to keep it and put it back in when I showed it because that's how I found it. But regardless, I saw it. I liked it a lot. I normally don't like caps with these holes. If you guys see, you could see the what you could see through it basically. I don't like hats with holes, but you could barely tell it has holes that much, and it has a nice design with the holes, and it doesn't show much, and I guess it helps that it's black and green, I guess. And I liked it a lot. It has a panther. It has this thing that makes it look cool to me. There's a sticker. Then there's like is a silk. It feels so nice. It's a very nice design. So yeah, I'm glad I bought it. And then this thing for the sweat, I guess. It has like a horse, a goat, a wolf. I almost called it a lion. Black sheep, a cock. It literally says cock. You would assume it would say rooster. Yeah, and no lion for some reason. But yeah, it looks very nice. It's from the farm Gorin Bros. I've never seen this brand before. But yeah, he was asking 25, I paid 20, and it's a very nice hat. And then the last thing I saw was this golf visor with Bugs Bunny on it. And she sold it for $4. I tried to get it. I think I tried to get it for $3, but she's like, no, four is a good price. I was like, yeah, that's fine. It is it does have the where is it? Where'd it go? Oh, the tag still. I'm probably gonna keep it as well. I like keep everything I buy. It's kind of messed up here now that I think about it, but regardless, it's still nice. For $4, it's pretty cool, and I think it is authentic. It's ACME clothing or whatever. I would not know. Oh, it's Warner Brothers Incorporation, 1991. Seems real, and it looks very nice. So yeah, that was the last thing. Oh, and then yeah, I have to show the typer. Let me put this to the side. This was the second thing I found. I'm obviously showing it now because it's the biggest thing that I got. I actually tested it already with my mom. She knows how to use it because she used to use it in the old days when she was younger. She's still young, but not that young. Oh, it's vibrating. I don't recall that happening before. So I don't. Damn it! I need a paper. Where do I get a damn paper? Oh, I know. I have a printer over here. I'll just take a paper out of it. Just one paper is all that I need. So I have a paper. So if you guys hear that sound, it's from the typer. I know my mom showed me. How do I do it again? I think it's like you guys cannot see it properly. Wait, did I take more than? Oh wow, I took more than one paper. Oh great. Doesn't matter, I guess. Let me take the case out of, I mean the typer out of the case, because if I remember, it kind of affects it from working properly. All right, so it's such a nice color. That's the reason why I bought it mostly. So if I remember, how is it again? Oh, there we go. There we go. So then this. Go, stupid damn thing. There we go. All right. As you guys can see, I'm a professional now. All right. Then what was the other thing? This is. Oh, this is to move it. Okay, never mind. So I'm gonna leave it like that. So you would have to like put it all the way to the left. Then It still has ink. The ink works. We had at first we had trouble with the space button right here, but it works. All right, so let me type something. What do I say? All right, let's see. Shift father. Wait, what? Oh yeah, there we go. It is so damn cool. Oh, you guys cannot see it. Father, right there, spelled father. It's also it seems like it has other colors, but the ink that it has is only black, unfortunately. As you guys can tell, it was on red, but it does not do red color. Only does black, unfortunately. It would have been nice showing like red. I don't know why white, like, I mean, I guess unless you use like black paper or something like that, then it would work like construction paper. But yeah, let me type something else. Let me say, oh, Saturday flea market shopping video. Okay, Saturday. Did I spell it right? Yeah, I spelled it right. Flea market shopping. Oh, sometimes this happens, but all you have to do is that. There we go. You cannot go too fast, otherwise they get stuck together, the little claw thingies. Oh, oh yeah, shopping. I thought it said stopping. Okay, Saturday flea market shopping video. I think this is number 8. I was about to say 6, but no, I think it's been more. I don't know. I don't keep up with the numbers, to be honest. Oh, I put the star by accident. But yeah, there we go. Father Saturday flea market shopping video. I did not put space between the shopping and video for some reason, and father and Saturday. But it works awesome. I've always wanted a typewriter, and the color is so nice. My mom said that apparently she had like the similar color before when she was younger. I'm not quite sure. Also, it has a off button. There, it stopped the humming sound. And on. So if it's off, it doesn't work. But if it's on, it works. Duck. And there, duck y'all. So yeah, it works perfect. It's great. The guy that sold me this typewriter, he was like, if there's anything wrong, let me know, come back. I was gonna ask him myself. I was thinking in my head, let me tell him that if it doesn't work, can I come back and something like that to, like, I don't know, either get my money back or he'll help me get it fixed or something like that. But I didn't have to say anything. I like when that happens, when you think something in your head and then it happens without you having to say anything. He just offered it himself. He's like, if anything happens, let me know and I'll see what I can do or something like that. That was very nice of him. Also, the same thing with like how he kind of read my mind. It happened with the guy who sold me the watches, Spiro's friend. When I saw the 3 of them, I was planning to offer him, like, since it was 3 and I was getting all 3, it would be 28 in total. I was thinking about offering 20 myself, but himself, he's like, I'll give you the 3 for 20. I was like, perfect. I'm like, how do these people keep reading my mind? It was awesome. I didn't have to say anything. He just automatically said it himself. So I love when that happens. Anyways, that is it. I was able to show it off, at least show how it works and whatnot. And yeah, it is beautiful. I do have to clean it a bit. And the way if anybody wants to know, the way you change the ink and whatnot, let me just turn it off first. How was it again? There we go. You just take that off. And here's the ink, these things. So I would have to, I don't know how, but I have to figure out how to look them up on eBay most likely, and see the specific kind that would fit this one. I mean, I'm assuming that all the typewriters have the same ink. I wanna assume, but I'll have to figure it out. So I'm assuming they come like this, these little circles. As you guys see, I could detach them, but I'm not gonna do that in case I'm not able to put it back for whatever reason. So yeah, I'm assuming you just change them, take the little, I don't know what you call this, like rubber band thing, tape looking thing off, and then when you get a new one, you just put it back like this, the way it is. So yeah, I thought it was very cool, and oh, it has some information here. Covered by the following U.S. Patents. I don't know how you pronounce that. The S, some numbers, 3 million something. Other U.S. and foreign patents pending. Printed in Japan. Also something. My mom and the guy who sold me this mentioned it, that it's a Japan typewriter, and that it was gonna work great because it's from Japan. And yeah, I agree. Usually products from Japan are very good and they last long. My mom's son said the same thing, and I'm glad I got it. $20 was fine. I wasn't gonna negotiate because, first of all, it's very heavy, beautiful color, and they're not rare, but like, especially this color for sure. I'm sure is somewhat difficult to find. I would assume they'll probably go for a lot on eBay. I would assume like more than 50, maybe even hundreds. I wouldn't be sure, to be honest. But yeah, I got it for 20, and I thought it was a fair, perfect price, and I'm happy with it. It looks cool. It even came with a case. I have seen others at the flea market that I go to, and they're usually without any case. What caught my attention, it was obviously the color, and that it had a case on it, like the way I had it at the beginning. So I was like, yeah, that's great, because then I could close it and I don't have to have it out like this the whole time. So that was another reason why I decided to get it as well. That's everything I got for this Saturday. So I'm looking forward to the next Saturday to see what I find. Hopefully some nice stuff as well. Hoping not to spend too much. Oh, now that I speak about spending, I did not add up the prices yet. So these are all the prices. First it was 5, then 20, so that's 25. 35 with the figure. 20 for all the watches, so that's 35, 55. The McDonald's toy with the lady, that's 55, 6, 7. 8, 9, 50. Oh, wait. Oh my goodness. I lost myself. 35, 55. Do I have. Where's my. Okay, never mind. Oh, so yeah, 35, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9, 59. 59. Then, whoops. No, damn it. 59. 59. Okay, I need the calculator. Also, some things that they added the calculator finally for the iPads from the new update. So 59 plus 9, that's 68. Whoops. Oh my goodness. So yeah, wait, let me check again. All right, 35, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Yeah, 59 plus 9, that's 68, I think. Then plus 5, plus 20, plus 4. That's 25, 29, plus 29, plus 29. $97. Okay, not bad. So far, this is the least I've spent so far out of all days. So as you guys can see, the first day was 104. Then 140 was the highest so far. Then 101 and 97. There was 2 or 3 other Saturdays I did not count. Unfortunately, I did not do this, the counting, how much I spent that day. I started with the 24. But yeah, so far all these Saturdays that I've counted, this is the lowest. So cool. Hopefully it's like around the same price for next week. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Check out the video in the playlist above, and I'll see you guys in the next video.